So I don't know if you can see it, but this eyelash right here is coming off just a little bit. So I want to show you how I fix that. So as you know, I love my fake eyelashes, but they are still fake eyelashes and they're not permanent, and I take them off every night. So normally throughout the day, I could get through the whole day with not an eyelash moving or budging or look like it's coming off. But there are those occasions where maybe I just rushed it a little bit or I didn't put enough glue on and an eyelash starts to come off.
Just like this.
I'm gonna show you what I do and how I fix it when I'm on the go. There's only two things you need. Obviously, one of them is eyelash glue so you can make it stick again. And I always keep a tube of eyelash glue in my purse for emergencies. And it's super tiny and small, so you barely even notice it's there. But let me tell you, it comes in handy when you wear fake eyelashes every day like I do. And the second thing you need, you could usually find one floating around your car or already in your purse. It's just your average, everyday bobby pin. So it's just coming off a little bit on the inside right here, which if my eyelashes come off, that's where they tend to come off. So all I do is I take my bobby pin and I take the end that has like the two sides, the part that opens, and I just use one of those little sides and I put glue at the end of it. And then I put the glue where the glue needs to go to make the eyelash stick where it came off. And I'm gonna do it off camera because it's really hard to do it one-handed. I tried and now I'm redoing this because you can't do it with one hand. So I'll be right back. I kind of just pull it down like this and keep my eyes closed and go boop, 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 boop. And then you just let it sit there for a second and get tacky like you would if you were going to be putting on fake eyelashes. And then when it's ready, you kind of just stick it into place. And now my eyelashes good to go. And that was super simple. And all I needed was two things. You just keep them in your purse, you set it and forget it, kind of. This is just a small little tip to help you fix up your eyelashes in case they start coming off in the middle of the day. Hopefully you never need this tip, but if you do, now you know how to fix it. I hope this helped, and remember, sharing is caring, so make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. And you know what's even better is if you do carry this around in your purse, that if you see someone else in your situation, like you go when you're talking to someone and you're like, gosh, their eyelashes falling off, like you could help them, you could fix it for them, and you could be a lifesaver. I'm just saying. And if you are new to my channel, I do fun tips like this weekly for hair, makeup, and life. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and that little bell next to it so you don't miss out on a thing. I'll see you soon.